found a mole cricket at the beach, and it looks like a hybrid of a cricket and a mole. I mean a water creature. Look at this thing. It looks insane. And it's called a mole cricket, not because it looks like a mole head, but it's because it has little shovel-like front legs, which allows it to dig tunnels. And unlike most insects, they abandon their eggs. Mole crickets will guard their eggs in their underground tunnels and can easily move forward and backward in their coal tunnels, which is my first time seeing one of these. It is super cool experience. Bye guys, another episode. Subscribe, like, and share with your friends, and I hope you enjoyed this video.